Welcome to Federal Hiring Options for Military Spouses. By the end of this lesson, you will be able to identify your main federal hiring options, recognize spouse-friendly vacancy announcements on USAJOBS, and assemble the documents hiring managers need to confirm your eligibility. Military life often leads to relocation, and you may need to find a new job because of this. In addition to using the public hiring path, there are two specific hiring path options available for military spouses. Do you know which federal hiring path is right for you? As a military spouse, you have two main federal hiring options: War Department, or DOW Military Spouse Preference, and the government-wide Military Spouse Noncompetitive Hiring Authority. You may qualify for one or both at the same time, but they have different rules and documents. Military Spouse Preference, or MSP, gives certain military spouses hiring priority for covered civilian DOW jobs. You are generally eligible if you are married to an active duty service member, listed on official PCS orders, and relocating with them or already at the new installation. Always review the guidance for your specific location. Military Spouse Preference typically applies to competitive service positions funded by appropriated funds within the DOW. If a military spouse is rated and ranked among the best qualified, they block other competitive candidates and are referred to the manager. DOW agencies usually send a list of certified referrals with the best qualified spouse candidates and a separate non-competitive referral list, so managers can choose from either list. MSP does not automatically guarantee the job, and the spouse still must be qualified and interviewed. To use MSP, provide proof of marriage, your spouse's current PCS orders, and proof you are authorized to accompany them. Upload complete, clear orders, including any amendments that list you by name. Military orders should be provided with each job opportunity announcement. In the overseas area, spouses can apply multiple times to temporary and term positions. They do not lose their eligibility until they have been appointed to a permanent position. Let's take a moment to check in on your understanding. Eleanor just moved with her active duty spouse on PCS orders. Her name is on the orders, she has a copy of her marriage certificate, and she applies for a DOW job on the installation with both documents uploaded to USAJOBS. She has also completed the Military Spouse PPP self-certification checklist. Is she using the Military Spouse Preference correctly? That's right. Yes. She has the right relationship, the right kind of move. Her name is on the orders, and she has the required documents. Your second hiring path option is the government-wide non-competitive hiring authority, which allows federal agencies to appoint certain military spouses without full competitive procedures, if the spouse is qualified and the agency chooses to use it. If you apply under competitive procedures and want to use priority consideration, you must complete the self-certificate checklist for every USAJOBS application. You may be eligible if you are the spouse of an active duty member, a 100% disabled separated service member, or the unremarried widow or widower of a member killed on active duty. This authority differs from military spouse preference in two key ways. Many federal agencies across the government can use it, not just the DOW, and each agency decides whether to apply it for any given vacancy. It is a hiring option, not a mandate. To claim eligibility, provide your marriage certificate plus current orders, a DD-214, or documentation of the service member's death as applicable. Next, let's look at how to find spouse-eligible jobs on USAJOBS, so you can focus your search on openings that match both your skills and your hiring paths. Start by creating or updating your USAJOBS profile. Open the Hiring Paths section and select Military Spouses if eligible. When searching, use the Hiring Path filter to surface announcements open to you. Then add filters for location, pay grade, remote or telework, and agency. For each announcement, scroll to This Job is Open to. If military spouses are listed and you meet all qualifications, you can apply using that path. USAJOBS also shows hiring path icons on each announcement as a fast visual confirmation. Now let's put it all together. Your goal is to make it easy for human resources staff to verify your eligibility on the first review, as they will not follow up with you for any missing documents. At a minimum, gather your marriage certificate, your spouse's PCS orders, other status documents, or DD-214, a current federal 2-page resume, and any licenses, certifications, or transcripts the announcement requires. Many documents overlap for both authorities. The main differences come from specific announcement language, such as command sponsorship requirements or eligibility windows. Make sure the documents you upload are readable, and always match your package exactly to the required documents section before you submit. Let's check in on your understanding. Which statement best describes the main difference between DOW Military Spouse Preference and the government-wide Military Spouse Non-Competitive Hiring Authority? Is it A, MSP is a hiring preference for certain DOW positions on competitive announcements? B, MSP is only for overseas locations? C, MSP lets you be hired non-competitively anywhere in the federal government? Or D, MSP guarantees you will be selected if you apply to any DOW position? Correct. The answer is A. MSP is a preference program mainly within the DOW. It may move you ahead of some other candidates, but does not waive competition. You bring valuable skills to the federal workforce. By understanding both hiring authorities, using USAJOBS filters to find spouse-eligible jobs, and maintaining a complete documentation package, you make it easier for agencies to recognize and act on your talent. Be sure to use these services in addition to the public hiring path in order to maximize your hiring potential. Be sure to closely review the job opportunity announcement to ensure you have completed all the requirements to be considered for the position. To explore more and get personalized support, visit Military OneSource, call 800-342-9647, or meet with your installation's Employment Readiness Program staff. You can also visit the Office of Personnel Management Veteran Family Members website. Links to all resources are available in the Course Resource tab. Thank you for completing federal hiring options for military spouses.